Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about YouTube payments, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot on my other video that talked about how much YouTube pays you. And that is, how much does YouTube pay you for 1 million Facebook tutorial views? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, but I'm going to show you how much I got paid for 1 million views on my Facebook tutorial. But why would you want to know that anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're starting out your YouTube journey and you want to focus on videos that are going to pay you the most. Whatever the case is, I'm going to go ahead and show you in my YouTube studio. It's this red and white app right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there, but I'm going to open up my YouTube studio now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my YouTube studio. This is the analytics home screen. If yours opens up to another part of the YouTube studio, click on the analytics button down here on the bottom center with a little chart next to it. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my top content right here. Okay, so here in this section, it's going to show your top performing videos for the past 28 days. Let me go ahead and increase this to all time by clicking on 28 days. Okay, next I'm going to choose lifetime right here. Okay, now that I've done that, it's showing all of my top performing videos right here. So this one right here has received 1.1 million views, and this is a Facebook tutorial that I did a couple of years ago. So it's just describing some processes on how to change things around in your Facebook app. Let me go ahead and click on that. Okay guys, so here is my analytics for my Facebook video tutorial that I did, and as you can see, over time it has gained 1.1 million views. And if you scroll over, it's going to show the revenue. So I have made 3.9 thousand. Well, let me click on this and show you the exact number. Okay, so over time, this video for Facebook video tutorial has actually paid me $3,919. So let me jump over to my calculator. Okay, so 39.19, and then we'll divide that by 1.1 million views. So I'm getting paid about 1/3 of 1 penny per view, and then we'll just multiply that by 1 million, and that equals $3,562. That's how much I got paid for my Facebook video tutorial for 1 million views. Now this is just a ballpark because it's really going to depend on who's watching your videos, depending on what country they are, what age they're in, how long they watch your video. But this can give you a good ballpark on what you can expect if you're going to be doing Facebook tutorials on YouTube and getting paid for it. So basically about $3,500 per 1 million views. So for this particular video, actually the audience was pretty far and wide. I would have a lot of people from India, a lot of people from Southeast Asia, South America would watch that video. So the CPM, or cost per mile, or payment per thousand, is definitely on the lower side just because it's an international audience. It's not really focused in the more expensive markets to advertise in, like Australia, United States, Canada, or UK. But still not too bad, especially since that video only took me maybe 4 or 5 minutes to make, and to this day it's still paying me. But for about 1 million Facebook video tutorial views, you might expect somewhere around $3,500. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how much YouTube pays for 1 million views for Facebook tutorials, that's my experience. If you got paid more than that for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.